Hello everyone, welcome to Moving Violations. I'm Russ LeBlanc, NEC consultant for ECNM Magazine. Check out this power supply cord. And you can see it's damaged there, it's dry, it's cracked, it's split open. I don't know if it's from rubbing against that metal there, or if it's just dried out. There it's secured to the liquid-tight flexible metallic conduit, and again we have the jacket just dried and split open. Now, section 400.3 requires flexible cords and flexible cables to be suitable for the conditions of use and the locations. This is an SJ cord, which is suitable for hard usage, but maybe an SO cord or some other type of cord suitable for extra hard usage may have been a better choice here. And then securing the flexible cord to the liquid tight, that's a violation of 300.11c.